So, you heard of the new Etsy hype, and how people started earning 4 figures a month passively with Etsy. And yes, it's totally real, not some guru BS. And let me tell you, your search for legit info about Etsy is over, as we'll go through everything related to Etsy, including both digital and physical products, and ending up by the best-selling genres and how to take advantage of both digital and physical products together. All of these will be covered, along with much more info on basically all aspects of this business model. And for those who don't know me, I'm Dave. I've been in the e-commerce business since 2013 and made over $2 million in profit. And few months ago I decided to make free explainer videos whenever I have free time to help others along the way. Hope it benefits you guys. So without further ado, let's roll in. As always, I want you to know how everything used to be from the start, till the point we're at now. Back in days, and specifically, in 2005, Etsy was founded. It was mainly a platform for handmade items and basically nobody knew about it. Till 2007, Etsy started going viral, and not so long after, Etsy had over 500,000 active sellers who generated over $25 million at the time. And since this is not a history class, that'll be all what you need to know about its history to know what you're dealing with. Now, let's take our time machine back to our current day. Etsy is now one of the biggest e-commerce platforms on the internet, with over 7 million sellers, and just waiting for more sellers to get in and take advantage of this uprising platform. And now, as my introduction is almost over, ones may wonder, what do people sell on Etsy today? Still handmade items? Or can we sell anything, including dropshipping? And that takes us to the next section. What should I sell on Etsy? On Etsy, we have two types of product: physical products and digital products. And I know, guys, it's obvious, but bear with me, as we'll need to break each one down now. Let's start by physical products. Etsy policies demands that any physical product must be handmade, with the only exception of print-on-demand products. And the reason is simple. Etsy expects you to use your own designs in the printing process, so it counts as handmade business after all. So, that was what you're supposed to be selling on Etsy when it comes to physical products. But what about the items you cannot even think of selling on Etsy? First, we got the dropshipping type of products. For example, the everyday use gadgets, or trendy clothes or accessories. Basically anything that went through a production line that was not yours. And yes, guys, you might come across stores that do sell these items, but trust me when I say, they all get banned sooner or later. Anything that is not handmade is against Etsy's terms of service and is just waste of time cause it will never last. Another question I get a lot about Etsy products: are we allowed to publish adult-related products on Etsy? Whether it was designs on t-shirts or even products. And the answer is yes, as long as your product, whether it was physical or digital, does not offend anyone and does not encourage of self-harm or solely made to cause harm to others. Then yes, should face no issues publishing it. And in case you have specific question about Etsy policies that you found no answer for it on the web, then I'd highly suggest getting in touch with Etsy's support. They usually respond within few hours. So, yeah, that was basically it for the physical products. But before jumping onto the digital products, let's take a look on some example of what physical products people are selling on Etsy. Handmade jewelry, wallets, personalized cutting boards, chess boards, and lastly, all print-on-demand products like t-shirts or mugs. The common factor is that all of them reflects the seller's skill or talent. So good so far. Now to the digital products. And guys, I want you to pay attention to this part in particular. That's where big passive money is being made. So let's get into it. Digital products on Etsy are mainly categorized as follows: SVG Designs, custom edits for photos or designs, printable planners and journals. Sounds a lot. Let's break it down together. First on the list is the SVG Designs. Here, the seller publishes listings that contains digital designs in SVG format. And this category of SVG designs split into two branches. First is SVG individual files, where the seller lists only one or two designs per listing. And even though it's more profitable, yet it requires lots of good reviews in order to gain the buyer's trust to choose you over other attractive listings with lower prices. Second branch is the SVG bundles, where the seller stacked tenth of designs, and even hundreds of designs in just one listing, and publish it with a very competitive price. Next on the list are the planners and interiors. Here, the sellers design printables for almost all niches. For example, different styles of thank you cards, journals for different uses, like this small business journal, along with planners and different styles of to-do lists. And guys, this category of digital products is highly underrated. I personally know over 4 sellers who have joined Etsy during the lockdown, and now they're generating over $3,000 to $5,000 each month from their digital planners on Etsy. Now to the last category of digital products, custom images and photos. Here, as we see, the seller provides custom service of his talent of turning photos or images to digital cartoon. Other people might offer different customizations. The sky is the limit in this category of customizations. And honestly, this kind of listings on Etsy are not so popular. But if you're into it, go for it as a start. Now, as all basics are covered, it's time to get into work and see what products will go with as a start. So make sure to turn on the notifications icon so you don't miss any of the releases to the new scheduled videos and courses. Until next time, cheers!